The good news, despite volatility and wild swings, Nifty is managing to end above the dotted lines. The positive catalyst, the street is anticipating that the Federal Reserve is likely to lower interest rates by a quarter percentage point at its 17th September FOMC meet, and most importantly, the rate cuts likely to in each of this year's 3 remaining meetings. Why Fed rate cuts are likely? The latest US employment snapshot released on Friday painted an ugly picture of the current state of the US economy. The number of jobs added in August came in more than 70% below economists' expectations, and the unemployment rate hit its highest level since 2021. The street will position for a 50 basis points rate cut move, and much will depend on this week's inflation outcomes. So, focus shall shift towards the US Producer Price Index is due Wednesday, followed by the Consumer Price Index on Thursday, 11th September. Bottom line, the street, especially the bulls camp, will battle with upcoming PPI and CPI data, with intensifying calls for immediate and possibly bigger Fed rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Our call of the day suggests bulls are likely to be dominant as long as Nifty is trading well above its crucial support at 24,337 mark. Also note, the bulls are likely to be everywhere if Nifty moves above its biggest hurdles at 25,155 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Monday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2170 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3014 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggests massive rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.84 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, traded firm near 88.33. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook, Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail. We suspect robust rally ahead. Nifty, CMP to 4773. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,609 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,000 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24650 and 24850. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 80787. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 79,741 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 81,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 80,500 and 81500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54187. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty, plus 0.13%, ended slightly higher as the benchmark gave away most of its hard-fought intraday gains. Blame it on profit booking at higher levels amidst two big headwinds. 1. Persisting tariff-related uncertainties. 2. Relentless foreign capital outflow. Our call of the day suggests a quieter but powerful bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme. Stocks in spotlight. 1. SpiceJet, minus 2.8%, dropped after the airline company reported a standalone net loss of 235.08 crore rupees in Q1 FY26 compared with net profit of 149.95 crore rupees in Q1 FY25. Revenue from operations tumbled 34% YoY to 1,033.36 crore rupees in Q1 June 2025. 2. Aurobindo Pharma slipped 0.37% after company announced that the United States Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, has completed an inspection of its Unit 12 manufacturing facility at Bachupalli, Telangana. At the conclusion, the USFDA issued a Form 483 citing 8 procedural observations. 3. The stock price of Adani Power gained 2% after the Adani Group firm inked a shareholders' agreement, SHA, with Bhutan's state-owned utility Drig Green Power Corporation Ltd, DGPC, for setting up a 570 megawatts hydroelectric project in Bhutan. 4. The Nifty Auto Index zoomed 3.3%, and the positive takeaway was that the Auto Index is already up 8.93% in September 2025. Stocks outperforming from auto space were Bharat Forge, plus 5.82%, Ashok Leyland, plus 4.99%, Tata Motors, plus 4.02%, Bajaj Auto, plus 3.84%, and Mahindra plus 3.93%. 5. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank rose 3.76% after unveiling its strategic roadmap to reach a gross loan book of 1 lakh rupees crore by FY30, compared with 33,287 crore rupees in Q1 FY26.